welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If this is your first time here, you're so welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. Right, so today's video is a bit different. I will be unboxing my kit relaxer for you guys. I have been using this relaxer back to back within the space of 2 to 5 years. And have I used any other relaxer within that period? Of course I have, and but this is the one that I have stuck with consistently. If you want to know why I'm using this relaxer back to back, why I have not stopped, and why I will not stop yet, I don't know. Yeah, and all that good stuff, please keep on watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please smash that like button right now. That's how YouTube knows that this video is good and is helpful, and they will promote it to other people. Okay, leave me a comment below, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit the bell so that you will always get notification every time we upload new videos. Right, so if you're interested in this kind of video, please keep on watching. So let's just get straight into the video. If you're an OG here, you probably already know that this is what I was talking about. This is the Nature's Gentle Touch HarbalBlend Ultra Conditioning No Lie Kit Relaxer. I know the name is long, but yeah, I find that this relaxer is so good for my hair. They have two types actually. This is the super, and there's another one that is called regular. I think that one is like green color, but this has a bit of purple to it. So it looks like this. This is what it looks like. On the pack of the relaxer, it tells you the contents within it, because you cannot exactly see unless you open it. So before you even purchase it, you can actually read up what's inside. And the first thing here is it contains a no lie relaxer cream, which is 240 grams. Step 2, it contains a liquid activator. Step 3, it contains a silky neutralizing shampoo. Step 4, it contains a deep conditioning cholesterol treatment. Step 5, it contains a revitalizing leave-in conditioner. And there is also an instruction leaflet inside to probably tell you exactly how to use the product. It contains a wooden spatula, I think the thing you need to mix the relaxer and the liquid activator. Then it contains a pair of latex gloves. Yeah, so that's like about 8 things inside here. How much did I get it? I think I got this for 2020 naira. Like, it's so inexpensive. It has everything you need in here. Let me just open this. To open it, so because it's liquid, I think some of the products have spilled. The liquid activator, I think, yeah, some of it have spilled, but not everything. That's why it's looking like this. I think it's just the way they've handled the packaging at the store where I got it. The last one I got the same thing, but this is the liquid activator. That's what it looks like. Comes in a 70 ml. I'm just going to set it aside. So I have like a tray here, so I'll just drop everything on top of it. And the next thing is the revitalizing leave-in conditioner. I think some of these have spilled as well. It looks like it's half inside safe. Then this is the HarbalBlend Deep Conditioning Cholesterol Treatment. Yeah. And then this, this is the shampoo. Wow, everything inside this pack seems like it's damaged. Do you see? But this is the shampoo. This is the neutralizing shampoo. Yeah, the cap seems to have come off. I don't know why, but yeah. And then of course the main, what? It was at this moment I knew they fucked up.
like the cup of the relaxer is like it's almost as if there's nothing inside. It's almost empty. Like it's so small inside, guy. It was at this point I had to quickly call the customer care because I cannot be have I cannot use that. Like everything inside is damaged completely.
I think inside the leaflet you find the latex glove in there, and of course the spatula, the one they talked about. And that's everything. There's nothing more inside. I'm very disappointed that almost everything inside the kit is damaged. I'm going to gently go and wash my hands now and look at it thoroughly to even see if I can use it. Alright guys, so I took a quick break to quickly call their customer care line, and thankfully they picked and they asked me to send them pictures of the products that are damaged, and I did. So I sent it to them on WhatsApp and they told me in 24 hours they'll get back to me. Hopefully they do, because I'm really mad at the what I'm seeing right now, because I've said I've used this product like for close to 5 years, if not more. I've not gotten any product that is this damaged. I mean, some have looked like, especially the activator. Most times the activator always comes in half or half full, but this one is, it looks like there's almost nothing inside, and the relaxer looks like there's absolutely nothing inside. Like it's around here. Now this will not be enough for my hair, so let's hope that they get back to me by tomorrow. If not, I'll have to go and get another one, for my hair. Anyway, so that's that. So let's continue the unboxing. These things can happen though, for real. I'm thinking the reason why it's happening like this is probably how they package the product and how they transported it from Lagos or wherever to Benin and to the store, or even the people at the store. Maybe it's how they've been handling it at the store. That's why the product is damaged. But moving on, I'm just opening the leaflet right now, and I did say, yeah, so the latex glove, this is it, is inside. So basically, yeah, these people, they actually equipped you with everything you need if you want to relax your own hair by yourself. I actually thought I was going to go to the market and look for gloves to buy to put on my hands, because I plan on relaxing my hair myself. Yes, guys, I plan on doing it myself. I just feel like I cannot help but feel like every time I go to the salon, they keep doing the total opposite of what I tell them to do. Like, I don't know if you guys feel me. I tell them put relaxer on my roots alone. The girl or whoever is doing will say yes, and yes, I've heard. By the time they're done, relaxer has gotten here for of my hair. Like, it's so crazy. I don't know why they will not listen to instructions or even listen to you. It's my own hair, it's my relaxer. Like, I feel like I keep using my money to buy relaxer and go and give them for them to use it to damage my hair. Like, it's so crazy. Do you see this volume that I'm enjoying right now? I want to keep enjoying it even when my hair is straight and relaxed. I don't want it to be thinning out because somebody keeps going back to put chemical on my already stretched, relaxed hair. Like, do you get what I'm saying? It's a nightmare. It's so crazy. So I just hope that I do it well. I've watched a ton of videos. When I mean a ton, I've watched a ton of videos back to back of other YouTubers relaxing their hair. At the end of the day, I'm going to find what works for me and do me. Okay, so fingers crossed, hope everything works out well. Right, guys, so the next thing I got at the store is this big old neutralizing shampoo. Okay, guys, HarbalBlend Silky Neutralizing Shampoo. They say it cleanses and stops chemical action of relaxer on the hair. I've always wanted to get this. Like, this has been on my bucket list for the longest time now. Actually, there's one that comes with the kit relaxer. This is what it looks like. I really just think that this cannot be enough to wash off the whole relaxer from my hair. Like, I think that this is too small. That's why I went ahead to get this, and this is really big for the price. I got this is in 500 ml, and I got it for 1,250 naira. Like, it's so inexpensive. So yeah, I'll probably be using this one and using this for my hair. Why is this important? It's so important to use a neutralizing shampoo to wash off relaxer from your hair, because normal shampoo cannot really do the job. I don't know if that makes sense. There are some instructions at the back. The purpose for this neutralizing shampoo here is to restore the pH balance of your hair, because your hair has just been through a chemical process, and of course it will strip off the protein bonds and all that good stuff that's been in your hair. So you need something to sort of repair it and put it back in order, which is why I love the fact that they've added a deep conditioning treatment so that comes with the kit as well, so that all of these things can help bring your hair back to its its normal level where it's supposed to be. Because whether you like it or not, relaxer is chemical. Is it damaging? Yes. Do you understand? You're constant doing it over a long period of time can damage your hair, but you can salvage it by reduce the amount of time you do it often, and then use other products to help revive your hair and make sure that your hair is healthy, your hair is striving in between relaxer process. I really hope that makes sense. The purpose for using a neutralizing shampoo is to restore the pH balance of your hair. Now, how do you know that you fully or you've completely washed off the relaxer of your hair? It says it is formulated to stop chemical action, which is the relaxer, on the hair, and there's a color indicator that shows when the correct pH balance is restored. You can wash your hair about 3 or 4 times with this neutralizing shampoo until the lather becomes maybe clear white. Then you know you successfully rinsed or washed off all the relaxer from your hair. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, I'm glad that I got this was going to last me for a very long time, maybe a couple of months. So yeah, because I don't even relax my hair every other month, I only do it like 2 or 3 times in a year, so which makes sense. This would probably last me for more than 2 years hopefully. Alright guys, so we've basically come to the last part of the video, which is the pamphlet or the leaflet. Shall we discuss the leaflet? So the leaflet this is what it looks like. So they have like diagrams, instructions and pictures and letters and things, just showing you and telling you exactly what to do step by step. So the first step here is mixing the activator into the cream, the cream relaxer. It's simple, and you use the spatula to turn and mix up all that good stuff. I will definitely be showing or practicalizing all of this in my relaxer video when I'm relaxing my hair myself on that video, but there's a detailed information here that you would need if you're even trying this out for the first time. A kit is just the best way to go because they have all the instructions here, from mixing the relaxer to strand test. There's step 2 is to strand test. So if you haven't used this product before, you want to maybe bring out a few strands of your hair and test the relaxer on that strand, see how your hair reacts to it. If you like it, then you can go over and put it all over your head. Like, they are so smart, like and then the next thing they tell you, step 3, is to patch your hair into sections, which is what we usually do. Then step 4 is to start applying the relaxer to your hair. Now there's a timer here that tells you exactly how long to leave the relaxer on your hair. Then you wash it off, then you apply the deep cholesterol treatment, and then you wash it off, and then you finish. You style your hair as you like. That's it. Oh my god, that was so stressful. Anyway, I hope you guys really liked today's video. That's everything for real. Like, that's it. This place is hot. I'm sorry, I keep finding myself. There's no light, and the light in front of me, the artificial light I'm using, is making me hot. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Nature's Gentle Judge products. Let me know if you'll be trying it, and yeah, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, smash that like button, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the bell so you always get notification every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.